Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something that's been a persistent companion for me lately. Loneliness. It's this quiet hum, sometimes a deafening roar, that's hard to shake. You know that feeling? The one where you're surrounded by people, or scrolling through endless feeds of seemingly connected lives, and yet the isolation still creeps in. It's not about being physically alone. It's that deeper ache, the sense of being disconnected, misunderstood, or just unseen. I've tried a lot of things to push it back. Reaching out, diving into hobbies, even just trying to force a smile. Some days it helps. Some days it feels like I'm just building these tiny dams against a tidal wave. Let me share you a brief story. There is an old, quiet wisdom found in nature. When a seed is planted deep in the earth, it is completely encased in darkness. It is alone, buried under the weight of the soil, and stripped of the light it desperately craves. From the outside, the soil looks still and empty. It looks like nothing is happening. But inside that silence, the seed isn't dying. It is doing the hardest work of its life. It is breaking its own casing. It is reaching roots into the dark to find stability, and it is silently gathering the energy it needs to eventually break through the surface. Many of us look at our loneliness and see it as a graveyard, a place where our connection to the world has gone to die. We panic, trying to rush to the surface, trying to force belonging before we are ready. But what if this loneliness is just your soil phase? What if this quiet isn't an ending, but the very pressure required to help you grow roots strong enough to hold up the person you are becoming? The seed doesn't reach for the sun by complaining about the dark. It reaches for the sun by becoming the kind of plant that can handle the light. When you feel like you can't stop the loneliness, you are essentially trying to fight your own growing season. The ache you feel is the friction of your own expansion. You are currently building the depth, the character, and the inner foundation that most people, who are constantly distracted by the noise, never get the chance to develop. You aren't just suffering in the silence. You are being prepared for the moment you finally break through that surface. And trust me, when you finally do, you won't just be standing in the sun. You will be standing tall, rooted in a strength that no amount of social noise could have ever given you. And the weirdest part? Sometimes, I feel like I'm the only one who experiences it this intensely. Like everyone else has figured out the secret code to belonging, and I'm still fumbling with the instruction manual. If you've ever felt this way, please know you're not alone in feeling alone. We're navigating this together, even if it doesn't always feel like it. Let's keep trying, keep reaching, and maybe, just maybe, we can find some warmth in this shared quiet. Thank you for sitting with me in the quiet today. Please remember, your journey through this isolation is molding you into someone resilient and rare. If this resonated with you, subscribe to keep building this strength together. Your presence here matters. Keep growing, keep reaching. You are never truly alone.